Hey, what's up guys? So last week Samsung launched the flagship Galaxy S23 series and now company's focus would be on the Galaxy A series which is expected to launch next month. And now Tipster Snoopy Tech has revealed the color options for the Galaxy A34 5G along with some other specs. According to Tipster, the Galaxy A34 will be offered in 4 colors which include Awesome Silver, Awesome Violet, Awesome Lime and Awesome Graphite. He further says that the smartphone may be offered in 6GB RAM with 128 and 256GB storage options. But in my opinion, the higher end model may come with 8GB RAM and 256GB internal storage. We already know how the device is gonna look thanks to the recently leaked renders. The rear design looks quite similar to the Galaxy S23 with similar camera design. Unlike the Galaxy A33, the Galaxy A34 will not feature any depth sensor. On the front, the handset features the old water drop notch design, which is kinda disappointing. The latest leak reveals that it will feature a 6.6-inch display, which should be an AMOLED panel with at least 90Hz refresh rate and Full HD Plus resolution. The smartphone will be powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 1080 SoC. However, some regions may get the Exynos variant that could be powered by the Exynos 1380 SoC. The triple camera setup on the device may be headlined by a 48MP main lens. It may get power from a 5000 mAh battery with 25W fast charging support. In addition, the handset has appeared on NBTC website, which strongly indicates that the launch of the Galaxy A34 5G is just around the corner. So yeah guys, let me know what you think about this, and if you somehow like this video then please subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace out.